So your tiny foster fluffball is passed out and snoring like a 200-pound trucker at a roadside diner? Don't panic. It's usually harmless. Kittens sometimes snore because they're in a deep sleep, or their little airways are still growing and adjusting. Sometimes it's just their sleeping position, face planted into their own paw like a furry pretzel. But if it's constant, super loud, or comes with sneezing and watery eyes, that's vet check time. Otherwise, relax. You just adopted the world's smallest, cutest chainsaw.